under this insane world of the Wolf of Wall Street is this golden nugget of knowledge. Let's find it. Hey YouTube people, I'm Ethan and today we are diving through the madness that is Jordan Belfort, aka the Wolf of Wall Street. Let's jump right into it. So what is this one thing, this one lesson, this one golden nugget that's gonna help you with your business? Cocaine and hookers. Wait, that's not quite right. Cocaine, hookers and quaaludes. Only one I haven't tried. No, seriously, beneath all the unlimited money, mountains of drugs, beautiful women, expensive hookers, lavish parties, mega mansions, supercars, private yachts, Swiss bank accounts, all the glorious luxuries in life. Beneath it all, there is this one moment. One moment where he shares a pearl of wisdom. And I'm not just getting this from the movie, I actually read his book. Well, I listened to it on Audible at 3x speed. But that's still a million times better than what Toy Lopez counts as reading. Flick done, flick done. I have all the knowledge. Me, big brain man, look at my books. So what is this lesson from the king of salesmen? So he talks about this system, a straight line sales system. And though that is great, that's not it. That only works for in-person sales. But the foundation that system is built upon, that is where our golden nugget lies. This applies to any business selling any product or service in any medium or market. Raising certainty. To gain a sale from someone, you need to raise their level of certainty in 3 areas. You, the brand, and the product. Another way to put it would be increasing trust. You want to bring people to a point of absolute certainty in you, your product, and your business. A few examples of how to do so: great testimonials, looking pro, feeling modern, high quality, brand positioning, number of sales, social followings, customer service, reputation, word of mouth, etc, etc, etc. If they are on scales from 0 to 10, 10 being absolutely certain, you want to raise them all up to 10s if you can. So when it comes to selling, there are hard sales and there are easy sales. Now, easy sales, they may only need to be brought to a level 7 to purchase on the certainty scale. For example, people like my dad, who have over the years collected an unseemly amount of crazy kitchen appliances that no one ever needed from those silly internet adverts. Something is shown to him, and if he wants it, it doesn't take much to convince him to purchase. All I can say is, thank goodness he never found the TV shopping channels. These are called easy sales. On the other hand, hard sales are people like me. This is because I put the mighty Graham Stephan to shame when it comes to being frugal. I wore the same pair of shoes for 7 years. 7 years. I had duct taped them together, super glued the soles back on. They were hurting my feet, and yet I still wouldn't buy a new pair until they completely fell apart. I am too frugal for my own good. I am a hard sell. But even with hard sales, we will eventually purchase products. You've just got to make sure you've raised those certainty levels when they are ready to purchase. That is the one great lesson I have learned from the Wolf of Wall Street. Cocaine and hookers and raising certainty. If you want to sell more, start to raise those levels of certainty in you, the brand, and the product. Want some bite-sized branding and marketing tips? Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe here for more if you liked the video. And have a fabulous day. Ethan out.